Hey everybody, how are you doing? This is OptionPit.com, the Morning Vol Report. It is I, Andrew Giovinazzi, Chief Operating Officer of OptionPit.com, welcoming you to said Vol Report. We have a new thing coming out. We have Easy VIX, or actually VIX Made Easy class for all our OptionPit subscribers. You'll just get it. It'll be like a Saturday class, but it's basically our November and December Saturday classes all rolled into one. We'll also be launching our volatility newsletter. So you'll see this myself. You'll see this handsome guy right there going live from the SIBO. Basically, the vol newsletter will be volatility products, VIX, paired with index trades, just depending on what looks good at any point in time during the week. So there'll be more details coming out. But OptionPit Live subscribers will get that as a newsletter if you choose it. And if you don't want to be an OptionPit Live subscriber, you can subscribe to it separately. All of that will be coming out after Thanksgiving. All right. So if you want more information about it, you go to OptionPit.com and just go to this. Use this link, ATGVIX, and you can sign up. And you'll get everything basically for the next month, and you'll start to see how it all rolls out, right? But right now, I just have it poking right to this. All right? Now, okay, and with that, if you also want to get an idea of what it's going to be like, if you go to our blog page, it is posted here. The trial is there. The information is there. If you don't know much about VIX, how it really works, we explain it. And then we go in. The next part of the courses will be actually the way you can approach trading the VIX index. Okay? All of the secrets. Speaking of secrets, what do we have today? We've got a few things I think that are interesting. Let's just get to here. Couple things, so let's look. So the first is, I think one for VIX, Mark and I will talk about this today, is how this is going to trade, waiting for the Senate to come out. How much real decay we can expect and how much movement we can expect. So I think part of today is going to tell us really, after you just had kind of that tumultuous activity in VIX, is if the actual Senate vote keeps the vol up or not. So we'll look at that today, see how we can do it. Right now, it looks like things are kind of sort of decaying normally, or a little bit more so based on VIX dropping. So you've got some weekend effect, meaning VIX should be going down, but also, too, the futures are going down because the vol products are dropping a little bit. So you're getting a little bit more off the futures than we would expect. So I figured if there's more positive news coming out of the Senate, you'll see vol go lower. If all of a sudden things get a little nasty there, vol will go higher. So interesting trading ideas. Something in Fox now that 3 companies want them. We can take a look there if there's any plays in Fox. Continuing to go higher. We'll price the options in there. Also, Russell, probably the highest vol, highest real vol of anything. We have looked at some iron condors in our gold classes with VIX heads. It seemed to be doing okay. So again, I think this as a trade idea probably still looks okay. So we could look at different ways to do it, but it's one of these things where I don't think you want too many short deltas. Next thing is, will they keep things going in IBB? Will it start to move? There's a lot of speculation on that, so we'll start to price a little bit of that today. SPX, is it time for time spreads again? we're not getting much, right? So SPX down and VIX down today. Mostly that's a result of kind of the curve readjusting, the skew curve readjusting. If SPX keeps doing this and sitting here, it'll probably just sink a little bit into the end of the day. And really the next thing is, and last but not least, like I mentioned, how will this trade for us? Because I think if the Senate does pass some kind of tax reform, you would see probably a short-term blip down to 10 handle in VIX. In the meantime, we're just kind of sitting watching the futures. So those are things that could be interesting today. And with that, Mark and I will be back in to do a vol report, and I'll be in to do the chat, look at some stuff, and you guys have a good day. If you have any questions about our vol newsletter, our products, anything like that, send me a note, Andrew@optionpit.com or Mark@optionpit.com, and on we go.